cause you know I let it get deep. Making up a take for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Love you, like it when you bite it.
Hey friends, hey y'all. I'm ContactCoCoDenise, and guys, I am in Vegas. I got here yesterday, so I'm rooming in one room with 3 other people. We check in at the Venetian. I'm currently in the bathroom, and the bathroom is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to insert the footage I got from the room. I'll also show you guys where we ate at, okay?
And dip me underway, you can kill my mouth with love, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
All right guys, here is my outfit of the day. This is a body shirt from Shein. I'm just gonna let you know I'm not in any form telling you to buy this body shirt. And then I have on my H&M shorts, Steve Madden shoes, and then I'm carrying my YSL crossbody. So here's the outfit.
It's that big drip.
I think it's quite cute. Now this is actually a body shirt and I cut it. I'm gonna show y'all because you're all my best friends. But you see how I'm gonna cut this? All right, so we're headed out. I'll catch you guys later.
So right now, if you rely on that,
Just try it. Is it good though?
it is. Right down here,
Thank you.
Is there extra, oh yeah.
Well, I got a week in my brain.
This is real cute. Oh, it says, I'm so fancy, you already know. How much is it though? $39. All right, so we are at the High Roller, and I think we're about to do this. How much is it, Sarita?
Just $60.
Okay, so are we doing it?
It's gonna be a hard no for me, but I get military discount.
Oh, okay, well.
Check your military.
So this is the high roller right here.
That's if you want
I
drink.
stand corrected for us.
Okay, so she giving us the wrong price right now.
First of all, I was talking about my
Period.
perceived.
Okay, now that sounds more like it. $23.
34. This is daytime.
Oh, 20. What's this? 850.
What's a
Youth daytime.
Oh, so it's not open yet. It's from 2 to 5:59 p.m. for the 2350. So I guess we'll see if we're gonna get it later. I don't know.
Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you act strange. But it's over, you act for when you say everything means something to.
Y'all, we have officially made it to Vegas. We just saw the waterfall. They say you haven't really came to Vegas until you see the waterfall.
Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody doesn't tell me who, say my name, say my name, say my name.
I just got a drink from the Purple Zebra. It costs $32. Y'all look at this drink. This is supposed to be a frozen Miami Vice. I don't see no pina colada. Let me see yours. You got a little bit more. I didn't ask for alcohol and a splash of ice. I asked for pina colada, strawberry daiquiri, and a splash of alcohol.
You can taste the alcohol.
Oh, you definitely can. That's for some alcoholics right there. Not me. Let me see yours, Crystal.
Oh, sorry.
At least you got more pina colada in yours.
Yeah.
You see yours? Like, look at mine.
Oh, yeah.
What is going on with this? I should have said I don't like that. Because it's a waste of $32. I'll talk to y'all later. All right, guys, we are headed to see Magic Mike. So I'll do a quick outfit check. I have on a peplum jean jacket from Fashion Nova. I have on my liquid leggings from Express and some very old ankle boots from their Sam Edelman. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you whoever comes on in. Crystal.
Hello everyone.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
I have on a classic black romper jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. It is from Marshalls,
Okay.
DKNY.
Okay.
And then the shoes are TJ Maxx.
Okay.
The jewelry is from Walmart.
Okay. Wait, let me get a close up on the jewelry. Oh, those are cute.
They got a little C for Crystal.
Okay. Legs and hips and
I will present the
body.
next.
Okay, Sarita, ma'am, tell us about your outfit, madam. The shirt.
The shirt is from Express.
Okay.
From Target.
Okay.
Jewelry's from Express.
Okay.
Watch is from, I don't know, Christmas present Invicta.
Let me see. Okay, let the people see. Let the people see.
Earrings are from Kate Spade.
Okay.
Glasses from it. iMart Express.
Okay. Hair by.
Pretty Libby.
Okay. And you have on what kind of purse is that?
It's a brown purse that doesn't match, so we're gonna put it in the back.
It's black. It match. Legs and hips and body. Thank you, ma'am.
Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Wanna get wild. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. And it's just wild, like it. Making up a date for you, bite it. Tip, 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 tip. Just finish this to the night. Tip, 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 tip. for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it.